goose. A goose is a type of water bird that belongs to the family Untitled, which also includes ducks and swans. Geese are characterized by their long necks, webbed feet, and sturdy bodies. They are found in many parts of the world, including North America, Europe, and Asia. Geese are social animals that typically live in flocks. They are known for their honking calls and are often kept as domesticated animals for their meat, eggs, and feathers. Geese are also commonly used as guard animals because they are territorial and can be very protective of their flock. In popular culture, geese are often depicted as being stubborn and ornery, which has led to the expression silly goose being used to describe someone who was being foolish or behaving in a silly manner. Sure, here are some interesting facts about the life of a goose. Number 1. Lifespan. The average lifespan of a goose is about 10 to 25 years, depending on the species and the living conditions. Number 2. Mating. Geese are monogamous, meaning they mate for life. They typically mate in the spring and build their nests on the ground, near water. Number 3. Eggs. The female goose can lay up to 12 eggs at a time and will incubate them for about a month. Once the eggs hatch, the gosling are able to swim and feed themselves within a day. Number 4. Migration. Many species of geese are migratory and travel long distances to breed and feed. Some geese, like the Canada goose, can travel up to 1,500 miles during migration. Number 5. Communication. Geese are highly social animals and use a variety of vocalizations and body language to communicate with each other. They are known for their honking calls, but also use hissing, grunting, and other sounds. Number 6. Parenting. Both male and female geese are involved in raising their young. The parents will fiercely protect their goslings from predators and will often stay close to them for several months. Number 7. Adaptability. Geese are adaptable birds and are able to live in a variety of environments, including lakes, rivers, wetlands, and grasslands. Number 8. Intelligence. Geese are considered to be intelligent birds and have been known to exhibit problem-solving skills and social intelligence. They are also able to recognize and remember individual people and animals. Number 9. Flight. Geese are strong flyers and are able to fly at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. They fly in a V formation during migration, which helps them conserve energy and makes it easier for them to communicate with each other. Number 10. Importance. Geese play an important ecological role by spreading seeds and nutrients throughout their habitats, and by serving as a food source for predators. They also have cultural and spiritual significance in many indigenous cultures around the world. Geese, like all living organisms, face a number of biological challenges throughout their lives. Here are some of the challenges that geese may encounter. Number 1. Predation. Geese are preyed upon by a variety of animals, including foxes, coyotes, raccoons, eagles, and owls. This can be especially challenging for young goslings, which are particularly vulnerable to predators. Number 2. Habitat loss. Many species of geese rely on wetland habitats for breeding and feeding, but these habitats are increasingly threatened by development and other human activities. Habitat loss can make it difficult for geese to find suitable places to nest and feed. Number 3. Disease. Geese are susceptible to a variety of diseases, including avian influenza, botulism, and West Nile virus. These diseases can be transmitted by other birds, insects, or contaminated food and water. Number 4. Climate change. Climate change is altering the timing of seasonal events, such as breeding and migration, which can disrupt the life cycles of geese and other migratory birds. Climate change is also leading to changes in weather patterns and rising sea levels, which can affect the availability of food and nesting habitats for geese. Number 5. Pollution. Geese can be exposed to a variety of pollutants, including pesticides, heavy metals, and plastic debris. These pollutants can have negative effects on their health and can accumulate in their bodies over time. Number 6. Human disturbance. Geese can be disturbed by human activities, such as boating, fishing, and recreational activities. These disturbances can disrupt their feeding and breeding behaviors and can cause them to abandon their nests or young. Number 7. Competition. Geese may compete with other bird species or with each other for food and nesting sites, which can be challenging in areas with high population densities or limited resources.